Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send large files through email. So what you're going to do is open your Gmail first. Then click on this compose or the pencil icon. Then write here the email address whom you want to send at the rate. Okay. Now put here the subject line. Any subject you can add, that's up to you. Now you can see here an attachment icon. Click on this. Then go to your file. It will pop up a window of your computer. Just locate your file. Any file you can add. Like this. Just click on open. After click on open, you see that file is going or loading or uploading. Okay, it is 215 megabyte and your file is larger than 225 megabyte. So that means after 25 megabytes your file will be sent through Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive link. So people will receive the messages, and if they click the link, it will directly go through the Google Drive and they can download it from there. And if you send files less than 25 MB, it will go directly through mail. So it will be sent as Google Drive link. You can see here. So let's wait till full upload. So you can see that video has uploaded. Now you can, if you want to add any description here, just write it and then you can send it. Then it will pop up a window like this. If you want to give permission commenter or editor, you can do this. Allow anyone with the link to view. Okay, so it will not be private. Click on send. Let's check. Go send, and you can see that your video has sent. Okay, so if I want to download this video, just go here and it will be downloaded as Google Drive link. Okay guys, so this is how you can send big files or large files in mail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.